Journal names. This tutorial will show you how to create a journal's terms list and edit your preferred style so that Thomson Reuters EndNote can substitute one version of a journal name for another in the formatted bibliography. If you import references from an online database that contains the abbreviation for a journal name, but your publisher requires the full journal name, EndNote can replace the abbreviation in your record with the full journal name in the formatted bibliography. To do this, EndNote requires a journal's term list that contains both the full name and the abbreviation. Because different disciplines use different standard abbreviations, you will need to tell EndNote which set of abbreviations you want to use. You will also need to set your output style to work with that set of abbreviations. To begin, select Open Terms List, then Journals Term List from the Tools menu. If journals are already present in the list, you will need to delete the current list of journals because some of them may have information in the wrong column. Select all the journals in the list and then select the Delete Term button. Select the Lists tab. Select Journals if it is not already selected. Select the Import List button. Open the Term Lists folder inside the EndNote folder for Windows, or the Terms folder inside the EndNote folder on Macintosh. Double-click on the list for your field of study. Click on the OK button. The list you imported contains a core set of journals, but may not have all the journals for your field. You may want to update the list with journals in your library that are not in the original list. Then edit those additions as needed. Click on the Update List button. Click on the OK button to update the list. In the future, the list will automatically update from new records as they are added to the library. Click on the OK button. Select the Terms tab. You will now see a list of full journal names and their matching abbreviations. If you see a reference in your bibliography that does not show the correct substitution with a style set to use the term list, it is usually because that entry on the list does not have all the versions of the journal name in the correct columns. You can fix this by editing the entry on the list. Select the journal you want to edit. Click on the Edit Term button. Correct each field. Click on the OK button to save your changes and close the window. Close the Term List window. Select the style to edit from the drop-down list. Open the style for editing by selecting Output Styles from the Edit menu. If the style you want to edit is not currently selected, you can open it for editing by opening the Style Manager. If the style you want to edit is currently selected in EndNote, it will be shown below the New Style option. Select the Journal Names option at the left of the Style Editing window. Select the journal name option you prefer. Save the style with a new name so you can tell it apart from the original style by selecting Save As from the File menu. Give the new style a name and click on the Save button. Close the Style Editing window. Select your new style from the drop-down list of styles by selecting the Select Another Style option, then selecting your new style from the list. Click on the Choose button. You will see the version of the name you selected in the preview pane at the bottom of the EndNote screen. This is the version of the name that will appear in your bibliographies.